Your body starts breaking down collagen at age 25, not slowing down, and after 40, you lose 1% every single year. The supplement industry built a $6 billion business selling you a fix for that. But 10 plants, most of which you can grow on your windowsill, have been tested in real scientific studies. And what they found changes everything. This is that list. One thing before we start. Plant number 7 on this list was tested in a 2024 clinical trial, the kind where half the people get the real thing and half get a fake pill, and nobody knows which is which until the end. The results were so strong that the scientists called them clinically significant. I will get there. But first, one thing most people get completely wrong about collagen, because it changes how you look at everything on this list. When you drink a collagen powder, your stomach breaks it apart into tiny pieces before it ever reaches your skin or your joints. It never arrives as collagen. Your body has to start from scratch anyway. What these 10 plants do is something completely different. They do not try to give your body collagen. They wake up the cells that make it. And that is a much smarter approach. People are spending $6.4 billion a year on collagen supplements. That is a lot of money for something scientists are still arguing about. At the same time, a 2024 study found that certain plant compounds were directly switching on collagen production inside human cells in a measurable, documented way. The research is not in the supplement aisle. It is growing in the ground. Number 1. Centella asiatica, also known as Gotu Kola. A 2024 clinical trial tested this plant on real people. The result: wrinkles reduced by 27.5% and skin texture improved by 20.1% compared to the group taking a fake pill. How does it work? This plant contains compounds that tap on the door of your skin cells and tell them to get back to work making collagen. You can grow it in a humid pot indoors or take it as a daily tincture. Number 2. Rosehip. 100 grams of rosehip has 426 milligrams of vitamin C. An orange has 53. Why does that matter? Because your body cannot make collagen without vitamin C. Full stop. It is not a bonus. It is a requirement. Without enough of it, collagen production simply stops. Dry the red hips in autumn and make tea, or blend the powder into your morning smoothie. Number 3. Turmeric. Every time your skin is in the sun, your body activates enzymes that break collagen down. That happens automatically, every single day. The active compound in turmeric has been studied specifically for its ability to block those enzymes before they do the damage. Think of it as a shield. Always add black pepper when you use it. It makes the turmeric up to 2,000 times more absorbable. Number 4. Green tea. A 2024 study found that green tea switched on collagen-producing cells and improved tissue repair. The active compound does 2 things at once. It blocks the enzymes that destroy collagen, and it neutralizes the damage caused by sun and pollution before it can start breaking collagen down. 2 jobs. 1 cup. Make it a daily habit, not something you drink once a week. Number 5. Aloe vera. Most people rub this on sunburn and forget about it. But in human clinical trials where people actually drank aloe vera gel, researchers saw real improvements in wrinkle depth and skin firmness. The active compound in the gel sends signals to your skin cells to produce more collagen and slow the breakdown. You almost certainly already have one of these sitting on a windowsill. Start using it. Number 6. Rosemary. Rosemary contains compounds that fight low-level inflammation throughout your whole body, not just in skin, but in your joints, your gut, your tendons. Why does that matter for collagen? Because chronic inflammation is one of the main things that eats collagen from the inside. Less inflammation means your collagen lasts longer everywhere. Use rosemary in cooking every single day. Small habit, big effect over time. Number 7. Pomegranate. Here's the one I promised. A 2024 study in Frontiers in Nutrition found that the compounds in pomegranate had a clinically significant effect on the cells that produce collagen in your skin. The unique compounds in pomegranate, found almost nowhere else in nature, get processed in your gut and then go to work, protecting and stimulating collagen production. This is also why gut health matters. A healthier gut gets more out of this fruit. Small glass of real juice every day. Number 8. Lemon balm. This plant is rich in the same protective compound found in rosemary, and it has been specifically studied for its effect on collagen-producing cells. But here's the part most people miss. Lemon balm also lowers cortisol, your stress hormone, and high cortisol actively destroys collagen as a side effect of being stressed. So this plant protects your collagen in 2 ways at once, directly and by reducing the thing that breaks it down. Daily tea. Number 9. Grape, seeds and skin. The seeds and skin of grapes contain compounds that have been studied for slowing down collagen breakdown caused by sun damage. They also contain resveratrol, a compound that activates a longevity switch inside your cells that is connected to collagen production. Eat grapes whole, skin on. If you want something stronger, grapeseed extract is one of the most well-researched supplements on the market, and it comes from a plant, not a lab. Number 10. Sea buckthorn. Most people have never heard of this one, but studies on sea buckthorn oil, taken by mouth, have shown real improvements in skin hydration, firmness, and wrinkle reduction. The reason is simple. This plant contains a fatty acid that is actually a natural building block of skin tissue. Your body recognizes it and knows exactly what to do with it. It also has some of the highest levels of skin-protecting antioxidants of any plant on Earth. Hardy shrub, cold climate, potent oil. Here's the one thing that connects all 10 of these plants. Not one of them is trying to hand your body collagen. Every single one is working on the system that makes collagen, waking up the cells, blocking the things that destroy it, reducing the stress and inflammation that speed up the breakdown. Your body already knows how to make collagen. It was built for it. These plants just remind it how. The supplement industry is trying to solve the wrong problem. These plants solve the right one. Here's how to put this into practice. Morning, green tea with lemon balm. Both start working on collagen protection before you eat anything. Meals, turmeric with black pepper in your cooking, rosemary on everything you roast. You are not even thinking about it, it just happens. Evening, rosehip tea and a small glass of real pomegranate juice. That gives your body what it needs to repair collagen overnight while you sleep. The other plants, Gotu Kola, Aloe Vera, sea buckthorn, grow in pots or come as supplements. Once you have them, the cost is almost nothing. Watch that one next. Your gut decides how much of this actually works. Here is what fixes it.